Hi guys, welcome to week 4 of our 4-bed supported living project. This is the one that we're project managing for one of our clients. So this week it's mostly, I think the door frames have been taken off so we can replace them with fire rated door frames. I think the one of the stud walls have gone up. And what's the other one? Yeah.
That's about it for this.
Yeah.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Finally, we stripped out the bathroom, but I'll let Ashley walk you through and show you what's been happening. Okay, let's spin it around.
Thank you very much. So this one again is going to be short and sweet. Progress is steady on this one, so we quickly run inside.
Okay, so what's happening with the door again, Ash?
So this door, all we're going to do is we're just going to change it to a UPVC door, so it matches ultimately this here.
So that's quite fresh, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite fresh. So it's just going to be a standard UPVC door. In
Makes
this
a great
area
impression.
here, we're actually looking to put the new boiler.
Oh, okay.
So it's a perfect spot for us to put the new boiler.
Out of the way as well.
Yeah, and then what it means is that we can just keep this as sort of like a secondary internal door.
Yeah.
So we're just going to keep that.
Cool.
Step in, let me try and squeeze past. So, this was already done, I believe, last week. So you can see how the room's opened up now. You can see the fire doors are starting to come in. And, all of the plasterboard. See fire rated door frames, fire rated doors here. You can see the carpenter has got his gear here ready to work. We've had to rip out this whole frame. Reason being, there was a small glass sort of window here. So what we're initially going to do, we're just going to brick it up, or we're just going to get some fire rated plasterboard and sort of cover it up. But it just makes sense to just open it all out. We're still going to have a standard door, and then we're just going to put some
stuff there.
Put some stuff. Yeah, I don't know where's
some
that.
technical stuff.
Some stuff. Have a run upstairs. This obviously isn't staying. Let's trust the old stair lift.
Do you know when he's removing this stair lift? Because it's
within the next week or so. Okay. I mean, we've got the new skip, so we've already loaded and got the one skip, so we've got another skip now, which is obviously going to take the bulk of the rest of the stuff out.
Yeah.
So you can see stud walls here is up, starting to go up. Need to get rid of that before we continue. And obviously the stud wall's just going to run up here. See, plasterboard has gone up. And now you can start to see how this room's going to take shape. So the door is going to be in that sort of area there. And then yeah, it's going to be a nice big sort of 10 square metre-ish room. Let me walk around here. Step into this room first, which is the final bedroom. So nothing much to note here really, apart from we've already done first and second fixed electrics. Main talking point is the bathroom. So it is really good obviously when you get to this stage, because now you can start to get a feel for where everything is going to go. We knew from the off exactly what we were going to do. We removed the shower tray from there. We've removed the bath from this area, so all it's going to be is shower tray here or even here, and then we're going to have a toilet and a sink, and then door access into this toilet, and then where you're standing to, if you just spin around, you will have a door here, as you can feel the stud wall, so that will go down fairly easily. You're going to have a door into here, which will come to this toilet here, and this will be blocked off. So what we'll be left with is a shower room and then a separate WC. So fairly straightforward on this one. This is probably the first time we're going to finish out here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're trucking along fairly well on this project. No real issues have come up as of yet. One of probably the biggest issues that have come up so far is the condition of the walls. So initially we weren't planning on sort of replastering the full house. That is still the plan, to not plaster the full house, and we're just going to try and repair, sand down and paint where we can. But we're still sort of looking at the condition of the walls. Now we're taking out some of the older walls. We're just having a look at what is the best way to go forward. But other than that, all good on this project.
Cool. So that's week 4. We'll see you guys week 5. See ya.